Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Legacy. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.